Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Discord bot in Python. This is a beginner tutorial with step-by-step instructions, and at the end you will end up with this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is install Python. So I'm using Windows 11, but if you're not, it shouldn't be too different. So we're going to go to the Windows Store, and if you're not using the new Windows Store, yours will not look like this. But what you're going to want to do is search Python 3.9 and search that, and there should be one with about 19 reviews, and it should be by Python Software Foundation. Those are the guys who made it. So I've already got it installed, but you install it. So now what you're going to need is an IDE. So an IDE is what we're going to be using to write our code and also running it. So we're going to be using PyCharm in this tutorial. PyCharm is a great IDE. It's made by the guys at JetBrains, and I'll show you how to install it now. So just search up JetBrains Toolbox, and there'll be a link to this in the description, and you're gonna wanna go to the one that's from jetbrains.com. So click on that and just click download in the top corner. This is completely free, and I can assure you it's not a virus. You can do a virus scan if you'd like. I've actually already got this installed, so I'm not going to do this, but you're gonna, just install it, run it, and that will install it. So now, once you've got that installed, you're going to want to go into your toolbar and just click on it right there, and it will show up. So you may not see what I see here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find PyCharm Community and click install. This is the free version of PyCharm. It's just as great, and it will not affect this tutorial because it's the free version. It still has loads of features, and I still recommend it. So you just want to click install, and Toolbox will just download and install that for you. And once that's done, you'll see it here. I'm using PyCharm Professional, but you'll see PyCharm Community. So click on that and wait for it to load. So when you start it up, you should see something like this. There'll be 3 buttons here: New Project, Open, and Get from VCS. You're going to want to press New Project. Choose Pure Python, and here on the location you can choose the project name. So get rid of the default name, which is Python Project, and I'm going to use Hello World, but you can call it whatever you want. Leave everything else as default and click Create. Okay, so once that's done, you should be feeling like a hacker already, because you'll be seeing this epic code, and we're just gonna delete that. We do not need this. So now, if you look at the bottom, you should see some buttons. Click on Python packages. Now here we can install pre-made code for us, which will help us out with the bot. So we're gonna start by downloading discord.py, and the name is exactly that. So just double click on it and wait for it to load, and you should see this. Just click install, and then this will download this code for us. Okay, so now that that's finished installing, we can start creating the actual bot, which is great. So you're going to want to type import Discord. Now this will tell Python that we're going to be using this module that we've just downloaded. And I spelt it wrong. Okay, there we go. I think. Yeah. And it might be grayed out, and it might have a yellow line underneath it. Don't worry about that. Next, type from discord.ext import commands. So now we're going to create the actual bot object. So type bot equals commands.bot and command underscore prefix equals quotes, double quotes, whatever. You can use any type of quotes you want. Basically, now you can choose whatever you want your prefix to be. This can be words, numbers, or symbols if you want. I'm going to use an exclamation mark to put whatever you want inside of the quotes. The quotes won't count. If you want to use quotes, if you want to use a quote as your prefix for some reason, then you can just use a different type of quotes, like single quotes. And now you can use double quotes as your prefix. So yeah, that's great. But yeah, I'm going to be using just a simple exclamation mark. And yeah, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make a function that's going to run when the bot runs. So we're going to type async, which basically means this all doesn't run in order, which really helps with performance. Async def on underscore ready. This will be called by the module we installed before. So inside we can put whatever we want, and this will run when the bot runs. So I'm going to put print bot is running. Print means that it will show up in the console when we run it. Yeah, so we've done that. Now we want to make a command. So let's say bot.command. Now this is a decorator that tells this module that it is a function, a command, sorry. So now we're going to make the function async def again, and now we can put the word that we want to trigger it. So it would say if someone types at hello, so say if someone types exclamation mark hi, then hi will be triggered. But that's all controlled by this, right? So we're just gonna keep going. So put some brackets here, and then we can type ctx. Now this will pass a lot of information about the function itself. So now put a semicolon and press enter, and type await ctx, which is this ctx.send, and we're just gonna type hello to you too. You can put whatever you want here, doesn't matter. So now we're nearly done. We're gonna put bot.run and put brackets again and then put some double quotes or single quotes, doesn't matter. This is where our token will go. So now we need to create a bot with Discord. So you're going to want to open your browser, and you should see something similar to this. At the top right, there will be a button that says New Application. Click that, and we can call this whatever we want. So I'm going to say, this is a test bot lol 420. Right, here we go. So go to bot and click add bot. So you can change the name of the bot separately, but doesn't matter. What you want is you're going to want to copy your token. Don't let anyone see this token, because if anyone sees it, then they can control your bot the same way we're doing it here, and they can destroy any server that your bot is in. So you're going to want to go back to PyCharm or whichever IDE you're using, and where it says token, you're going to want to paste your token, and this will tell Discord which bot we want to control. Okay, so I just noticed that above the onReady function we forgot to add the @bot.event decorator. Now this tells the package that we installed earlier that this is an event, and it knows to call it when the bot runs because it's called onReady, right? So now we can run the code, ignore this, we can run the code, and it should work perfectly fine. Yeah, see, it says bot is running. This is what we typed in earlier, or whatever you said, whatever you typed in, doesn't matter, doesn't make a difference. The bot's running, the bot works. The issue is, it's not in our nice Discord server. So this is a simple fix. We just need to invite the bot. So now what we're going to do is we're going to invite the bot to our Discord server. So you're going to want to have permissions to invite it. I'm not sure which permissions you need. I'm not, okay. So you want to go to the OAuth 2 tab and click on copy the client ID. So you're going to want to go to this website right here, link in the description, and paste in your client ID where it says client ID, and click on administrator at the top, and this basically determines which permissions the bot has. So now just click on this link, or you can copy it and send it to your friends, and here we can invite it to our server. So once you've chosen your server, I've done that, click continue and click authorize. Boom! The bot is now in our Discord server, and as you can see, it's online. And if I type hi, look what it says, hello to you too. So here we go, here we have it. This is a simple Discord bot. Thank you guys for watching. You can hire me on Fiverr to make a custom bot if you want. It will be greatly appreciated. But see you next time.